He falls, and human eyes can't see grace and compassion that abound. Goodness so good, your love so deep. In the cleft of life I wait as you pass by. There is none who can claim a name like you. So lead us in your presence to the knowledge of your truth. Give us passion, oh sweet passion, and fill us with the reverence to your name. Give us passion, for the praises of your everlasting faith. Glory falls, its human eyes can't see grace and compassion that abound. Your goodness, oh good, it's your love so deep. In the cleft of life I wait as you pass by. There is none who can claim a name like you. So lead us in your presence into the knowledge of your truth. Give us passion, oh sweet passion, with the reverence to your name. Give us passion, oh sweet passion, for the praises of your everlasting faith. Proclaim your name, the Lord our God. Proclaim your name, the Lord our God. Proclaim your name, the Lord our God. Proclaim for the praises of your everlasting faith. For the praises of your everlasting faith. For the praises of your everlasting faith.
Down, everything is getting darker now as I fall. Call out, trying desperately to hear a sound, but there's no word. For my days are few, whatever breath is left I give to you. If I'm broken or my body is whole, these hands are yours, these feet are yours. And if I'm broken or my body is whole, these tears are yours, these scars are yours. And carry my broken body home, my body home. Slow down, everything is getting blurry now, and I can't move. Get out all the lies that try to creep around, devouring truth. My days are few, whatever breath is left I give to you. If I am broken or my body is whole, these hands are yours, these feet are yours. And if I am broken or my body is whole, these tears are yours, these scars are yours, until you carry my broken body home. You've been with me through it all, so won't let fear make wrong. Now here I am, here I am. You give his heartbeat the strength to stay alive and sing for your name. Here I am, here I am, here I am. If I'm broken or my body is whole, these hands are yours, these feet are yours. And if I am broken or my body is whole, these tears are yours, these scars are yours, until you carry my broken body home, my body home, home.
Our next
What do you see when you look at your world today? Is it so full of clutter that you feel like you're going insane? And you can't fight back, 'cause you're just too afraid. And it seems like the clouds in your sky don't want to change. You see, there's always another story, another side to every coin. And how you see your circumstance is all about a choice. When you see the rushing wind, feel the pouring rain, hear the thunder now as the clouds roll in. You're blinded by the lightning. Do you also hear that still small voice saying it's okay? You're not alone. You may be scared to death, but I won't let you go. You may think the sky above is falling, but can you hear Jesus calling? What do you see when you look at your world today? Do you see a glimmer of hope, or has it all turned to gray? Start by counting your blessings one by one, and I'm sure right there you'll start to see the sun. You see, there's always another story, another side to every coin. How you see your circumstance is all about a choice. When you see the rushing wind, feel the pouring rain, feel the thunder now as the clouds roll in. You're blinded by the lightning. Do you also hear that still small voice Seated above, enthroned in the Father's love, destined to die, poured out for all mankind. God's only Son, perfect and spotless one. He never sinned, but suffered as if he did. All authority, every victory is yours. All authority, every victory is yours. Savior, worthy of honor and glory, worthy of all our praise. You overcame. Jesus, awesome in power forever, awesome and great is your name. You power in hand, speaking the Father's plan. You're sending us out, a light in this broken land. All authority, every victory is yours. All authority, every victory is by the blood of the Lamb and the word of our testimony. way.